All right, guys, we got a unique one. 2001 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. She started life as a hardtop. She was sent to a coach builder for the convertible conversion. She has the 4.6-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor panels are solid. Interior and paint is in driver quality condition. Let's check her out. She has a little over 59,000 miles. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. And the deck lid is automatic latching. She has power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console, back seat, convertible top functions as you should. Check out that dash. We'll see the miles on startup. Y'all just stay tuned. Upper dash, lower, engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 4.6-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Start her up. So y'all can see the mileage reach a little over 59,000. Y'all make sure y'all go over and check out rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.